What's the meaning of angry? Angry. 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 Angry.
Angry refers to a strong feeling of displeasure or hostility, typically as a result of some sort of perceived injustice or wrongdoing. It is characterized by physical and emotional responses such as raised voice, facial expression, and tense body language. The intensity of anger can range from mild irritation to extreme rage and can lead to destructive behavior if not managed properly. Prolonged and unresolved anger may also negatively impact one's mental and physical health, relationships, and overall quality of life.